हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक इन्फोसिस वेलकम किट की अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो। सो वी हैव गॉट दिस किट फ्रॉम इन्फोसिस। लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट एंड सी व्हाट्स देयर। So this is how it looks from inside. Firstly, we have a cup from Infosys. Then we have a bottle. It's a 750 ml bottle. This is how the bottle looks. Next up, we have a cube. I don't have any idea what's this. Then we have two coasters from Infosys. These are two coasters. And we have a letter stating welcome aboard. This is a letter from Infosys. Then we have a handbook for mental well-being. Mental well-being is very important, guys. And then we have a magnet. We have a pen from Infosys and a beautiful diary. Let's see how the diary is from inside. So this is how the diary is from inside. So that's all. So I hope you like this video. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel.